up, man? It's your boy pt1 Future Flow again. I'm here right now at the CES. My life is ever changing, so y'all need to tune in every day, because one day I might be like, you see me curled up in the damn Spider-Man covers, and the next day, you know what I'm saying, I might be doing a concert with Dan Prince or something. But this is a new Skull Candy booth right now, CES, here in Las Vegas Convention Center. 2XL line is coming up, and you know what? Just spell my damn name. Orion. Phoenix Orion. Let me show you around a little bit. Racetrack, where we're gonna be doing the races right here. The race cars, see them popping off. Got the new 2XLs. Yeah, sports and crack. We got these, man, popping off. Monster, Skull Candy, music to the people. Double agents, come check them out.
You know your pants are tight when you have to go to the full circuit.
Yo, there's a couple on the accent opens, which is pretty cool. These are the double agents coming out just in time for my EP, Double Agent. You hating on my pants, my Lenny Kravitz, you know what I'm saying? My rock stars. 1 gig SD chip that goes right in here, man. They're wireless, called the Double Agents. Boom, pop those on right there. Pretty much skating, doing what you do. Stay focused, man. We get you know this Skull Candy. We're gonna have a lot of fun. This is only day one. It's actually not even day one. The actual convention starts tomorrow. All kind of cool stuff. Y'all ain't see that yet. That came out, right? The Skull Candy cover for your iPhones. Look, we got exclusive, man. I can't get all that. Look, hold on. Real quick before y'all go. 2XLs. We got candy now. We actually got Skull Candy. Look, they've been telling us to do it, and we did it. We actually now have Skull Candy with the skulls on it. Holla back at you, boy. Look, y'all ain't gonna never get these. Yo, man, they initially made those for Andre the Giant before he passed away, but you know what I'm saying, we still got a couple of those left. Whatever. It's your boy pt1 Future Flow, man, and I'm out.